What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I style some of the most recent things that I've purchased lately. But before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and let's get it. So I most recently got these Gautier pants right here, and these are from 1995. They are the comic pants. They're just so unique and cool. I literally, when I saw these, I copped them immediately same day, and I decided to pair it along with this orange Dolce & Gabbana top that I picked up when I went to Tokyo 7, and I decided to pair this with my tabby boots, which I don't wear that often, but I thought that they would just go well together for this specific outfit. And although there is no orange in the pants, I just think that the colors of the orange along with all the colors that are in the pants are just very complementary and it goes very well together. So yeah, I thought that this is just a really dope fit. Whenever I decide that I want to wear a statement piece, most times I build it with more simple pieces, and I think that because the top is orange, it still has like a little bit of wow factor just based off of the color, but it's simple enough to wear to the point where it's not too much for the outfit. And then the tabby boots are just like a little extra moment, but it just goes really well together. So the next piece that I am styling are these pants right here, and these are from a brand called Submission. I think it's just like an early 2000s brand. They are made in the US, but the fit of these pants are pretty insane. I love the length, how they have a sort of extended leg. I decided to pair these pants with this white bralette that I have, and also this white denim helmet laying jacket, because I just think that it would be like a perfect layering piece to have on in case it gets cold at night or whatever the case might be. Most times when I wear crop tops, I just wear them as is, but lately I've been just like adding an extra layer on top just to kind of add some dimension to the outfit, and also because I be cold. I be cold all the time. So yes, this is the outfit that I decided to put together, and I decided to pair this also with my tabby boots because this is just like the perfect little combo. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen this look, and I wore it the other day and I just thought that it looked so good together, so I decided to just use it for like an outfit in this video. And I am basically going to be styling, this sheer ruffled blouse right here that I picked up from a vintage shop most recently, and it was only $25. When I tried it on, I didn't really know how it was going to look, but it actually looked really good on, so I just decided to go with it. I decided to pair it along with this black bralette and this little Y2K ruffle skirt that I have that I've been wanting to wear so bad because I've had it for like a couple of months now, but I just haven't worn it, and the look just goes so freaking well together. I just purchased the boots as well, so the blouse and the boots are both like recent purchases, and I love these boots. I've been wanting a really good like thigh-high boot with like a small heel on it, and these are just so practical and just really good for me personally. Like if I'm wearing a mini skirt or a pair of shorts or a mini dress, I just like to have like a boot that goes to like my knee. This outfit is very much inspired by the anime Nana, if you guys have watched it before, or even Paradise Kiss. They're like anime shows where you really get some fashion inspo, not gonna lie, so check it out if you haven't already. But yeah, this look is very like Japanese anime girl, and I live for that. I actually love that. I love it. So the next outfit that I'm styling is going to be with this striped button down right here, and I actually got this at the Goodwill bins, and it was rejected when I tried selling it, so I decided to keep it because I was like, I could just literally throw this on over top of whatever crop top I decide to wear, whatever bralette, whatever. I can honestly put this over whatever. It's just a nice little layering piece. And I paired it along with this little leopard print bralette. This is a very like relaxed fit, like I'm not trying too hard. I kind of just am throwing something on and going. So yeah, I decided to pair it with this leopard print bralette, and I paired it along with these little khaki mini shorts that I have. And once again, I'm pairing it with the black boots because I love these black boots so much. Honestly, getting dressed is like a trial or error. Like, it either is gonna look good or it won't, and you just have to change. But most times I can make things work even if they aren't like exactly the same, because I don't really like to be like too matchy all the time. So for the next outfit, I'm gonna be styling these helmet lane cargo pants, and I posted this in my most recent pickups video. I'm pretty sure that's what I titled it, I think. But these pants right here are amazing. So I decided to pair these pants along with this blue satin top that I have that is just super lightweight, and the colors just go very well together. And I also just wanted this to be super casual, so I put on my Adidas Sambas, which are beat to filth, honestly, because I've worn them so much for a period of time. But I just love this outfit together. Just very simple, and you just throw it on and go. I love when I can create an outfit that I really don't have to think that hard about, and this is definitely that type of outfit. And yeah, it just also looks really good, so you know, why not? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to let me know down below in the comment section. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.